Did you know your skin is made up of over 75% collagen? But after age 25, your body starts losing about 1% of it every year. Yep. That's why one day you wake up and your skin says, "Hi, I'm dry, dull, and just discovered gravity." But don't worry, we're not about quick fixes or magic serums here. We're talking about amino acids, the real MVPs behind collagen production, hydration, and youthful skin from the inside out. Whether you're battling fine lines or just want that natural glow, stick around because we're counting down the top 5 amino acids for glowing skin and a natural collagen boost, all backed by science and easy to work into your everyday routine. Welcome to Omni Healthy, your go-to place for health tips. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe. It really supports the channel, and I promise to keep the health tips coming. And as always, consult your healthcare provider before making changes to your supplements or diet. We're here to educate and empower, not to replace your dermatologist. Starting off at number 5, we have Proline. It's the unsung structural genius behind your skin's firmness and resilience. As one of the primary amino acids in collagen, it helps stabilize collagen's triple helix structure. Imagine it as the rebar in a concrete skyscraper. But that's not all. Proline also helps shield your collagen from being broken down by environmental stressors like UV rays, smoking, and pollution. It's the repair crew and the defense team rolled into one. And when you're injured, Proline jumps in to repair tissues from cuts to ligaments. It also supports vascular integrity, keeping blood vessels strong, another often overlooked factor in glowing skin. Key benefits. It reinforces skin firmness and elasticity, boosts tissue repair from the inside out, supports joint and ligament strength, enhances hydration by preserving dermal structure, helps maintain vascular flexibility and resilience, defends collagen from premature breakdown due to stressors, and plays a role in antioxidant metabolism. Looking to support collagen formation and skin elasticity? Proline is your go-to amino acid. Proline sources. It's especially abundant in gelatin, bone broth, and egg whites, classic staples for joint and skin health. You'll also find it in chicken skin and fish skin, both loaded with connective tissue. For a plant-based touch, cabbage adds a mild but helpful boost. If it's chewy, savory, or broth-based, there's a good chance it's rich in proline. Bonus tip. Pair proline with vitamin C and a little zinc. Vitamin C converts proline to hydroxyproline, a critical building block of new collagen. Zinc helps catalyze that reaction and protects new collagen from being degraded. Signs of low proline: loose or sagging skin, fine lines, slow healing wounds, joint discomfort, brittle nails, and even gum sensitivity can all hint at a proline shortfall. It may also show up as skin that seems tired and fragile, not ideal if you're going for a youthful glow. Myth: collagen supplements are the only way to rebuild collagen. Nope. Collagen is made from amino acids, especially proline. And your body can assemble collagen from proline-rich foods and supportive cofactors like vitamin C. Practical use: stir collagen powder into your morning tea, snack on skin on chicken thighs, or simmer a batch of bone broth on Sundays. Add shredded cabbage to tacos or miso soup for an extra veggie-based boost. Fun fact: Proline isn't just skin deep. It's also a major player in cartilage regeneration and heart tissue repair, so that glowing skin comes with a strong foundation. Proline is like the quiet guy at the construction site. Doesn't talk much, but without him, the whole building would collapse into a floppy mess. Next up, glycine. It might be small in size, but it's a heavyweight in skin health. Making up about 1/3 of collagen's amino acid content, glycine acts like the Velcro that holds collagen fibers tightly together. It's also deeply involved in DNA synthesis and cellular repair, meaning your skin's renewal process relies heavily on glycine. And let's not forget glycine's role in detoxification through liver support and in building glutathione, your skin's own shield against oxidative stress. This little amino acid even promotes restful sleep, the time your skin does most of its healing. Key benefits. It increases collagen density and strength, supports cellular repair, and regeneration, improves skin texture and tone. Boosts antioxidant defenses through glutathione production, enhances liver detox, indirectly clearing skin, and helps manage stress while supporting restorative sleep. Glycine sources. You'll find high levels in bone broth, gelatin, and chicken skin, all collagen-rich favorites. Skin on salmon brings in omega-3s alongside glycine, while sunflower seeds and spinach offer plant-powered alternatives. It's small but mighty, and often found in those deeply nourishing comfort foods. Bonus tip. Want to double up on beauty sleep? Pair glycine with magnesium before bed. Glycine calms the brain while magnesium relaxes the muscles. It's like giving your nervous system a spa night. Signs of low glycine. You may notice sagging skin, poor wound healing, chronic fatigue, brain fog, and even mood instability. Skin-wise, this can manifest as dullness, sensitivity, and poor tone. Glycine depletion is common in high-stress individuals and those with poor protein intake. Myth: glycine is just for sleep. While glycine does promote better sleep quality, it's also one of the skin's most essential structural and antioxidant-supporting amino acids. Snooze-friendly and skin-friendly. Double win. Practical use. Add gelatin to your morning coffee. Prepare soups with a bone broth base or sprinkle sunflower seeds over your salad. It's flavorless and easy to sneak into meals, just like its personality. Fun fact. Glycine is a neurotransmitter that supports both excitation and inhibition, like your brain's brake and gas pedal combo. It's why glycine makes you calm and sharp. If glycine were a superhero, it'd be the one who saves the city quietly at night and leaves no trace, just radiant skin by morning. Enjoying this video? Go ahead and hit that like button, share this with your friends, because honestly, sharing is caring, and it helps more people discover these valuable tips. Also, dive into the description by clicking more for all my recommended product links and sources of the studies we mentioned. At number 3, lysine is the structural linchpin that holds collagen together. Think of it as the bolts and fasteners in your skin's scaffolding. Without it, collagen fibers lose their integrity, leading to visible signs of aging like sagging and rough texture. Lysine is also crucial for calcium absorption, immune strength, muscle repair, and wound healing. But its role goes deeper. Lysine helps regulate the internal processes that keep your skin, hair, and nails resilient from within. It supports enzyme and hormone activity that influence everything from cellular turnover to hydration balance. During times of skin stress, like breakouts, sun exposure, or healing wounds, your body demands even more lysine to fuel recovery and maintain stability across tissues. Key benefits. Lysine boosts collagen structure and elasticity, enhances wound and scar healing, improves calcium retention for skin barrier strength, reduces inflammation and acne, supports hair follicle health and nail strength, and well, it even enhances skin hydration through barrier support. Lysine sources. Top sources include eggs, chicken, and sardines, all complete proteins. Plant-based options like tofu and black beans make it accessible for vegans, while spirulina is a super concentrated source for those looking to pack a nutritional punch. For optimal intake, variety is key. It's found in both animal and plant sources, but if you're vegan, you should combine foods like grains and legumes for a full spectrum intake. Bonus tip. Pair lysine with zinc and vitamin C for maximum impact on collagen stability, skin regeneration, and immune support. Zinc also helps fight breakouts, while vitamin C brightens and smooths. Signs of low lysine include brittle hair, recurring cold sores, dry or rough skin and nails, poor wound healing, and weakened immunity. Vegetarians and athletes who use more lysine during stress may actually need more, and here's a myth. Lysine's just for cold sores. While it's great for those, it can support your skin's structural health over time, toning, tightening, and strengthening your skin day in and day out. For practical use, Try making a quinoa bowl with black beans and avocado, or sip a spirulina-laced smoothie with citrus and greens. Snack on hard-boiled eggs or cottage cheese for an easy lysine hit. Fun fact: lysine also helps regulate anxiety by lowering cortisol. Less stress means fewer breakouts and smoother skin. And just for a laugh, lysine is like the bodyguard who doesn't just block the punches. He rebuilds the walls afterwards, paints the house, and waters the plants. Rolling in at number 2, arginine is your circulation booster, and your skin knows it. By increasing nitric oxide production, arginine improves blood flow, which means more oxygen and nutrients reach your skin cells. This optimized delivery system creates the ideal environment for skin maintenance, especially during times of stress or imbalance. Instead of working on the surface, arginine operates at the vascular and cellular level, helping your skin stay responsive, nourished, and better equipped to handle hormonal fluctuations, environmental stresses, and recovery demands. Alright, so let's talk about the key benefits. First up, arginine enhances microcirculation and oxygenation, which is pretty important for that healthy glow. It also accelerates skin repair and healing, increases elasticity and moisture retention, and reduces oxidative stress and free radical damage. Plus, it supports hormonal balance, which is super important if you've got acne-prone skin. Oh, and it may even improve your resilience to UV damage. Now, if you're wondering where to get arginine naturally, arginine sources. It's abundant in turkey and chickpeas, making it easy to get whether you eat meat or not. Pumpkin seeds and peanuts add a protein-rich crunch, while spirulina delivers a powerful plant-based boost. And yes, even sweet watermelon provides a natural dose, especially its rind. Here's a bonus tip. Try stacking your arginine intake with vitamin E and polyphenols from green tea, berries, or even dark chocolate. This trio helps prevent collagen breakdown and supports a more even skin tone. But what about signs of low arginine? Well, you might notice cold extremities, poor skin tone, low stamina, delayed skin recovery, and even a bit of brain fog. If your glow feels stuck in second gear, honestly, it could be an arginine shortage. There's a common myth that arginine is for gym rats. Nope. Your skin, heart, and immune system love arginine just as much as your muscles do. It's honestly the amino acid version of a multi-tool. For practical use, you could add pumpkin seeds to your smoothie bowl, mix lentils into your soups, or stir spirulina powder into your water. Or make a hummus wrap with chickpeas, cucumber, and a drizzle of olive oil. Super easy. Here's a fun fact. Arginine's nitric oxide boost doesn't just help your skin, it may also support memory and learning by improving blood flow to the brain. And just for a little laugh, arginine is like your skin's Amazon Prime driver, always delivering essentials faster than you expected, no tip required. Glutamine is a vital amino acid that acts like a cellular multitasker, especially when your body is under stress. It plays a critical behind-the-scenes role in maintaining stability across both the gut and skin by supporting the cells that repair tissue and manage immune responses. Because it's a preferred fuel for fast-dividing cells, glutamine helps the body keep up with demands like environmental damage, dietary stress, or inflammation, all of which can quietly sabotage skin clarity and resilience if left unchecked. Its influence on hydration and repair starts deep, long before you see the glow on the surface. Key benefits. It fortifies your skin's hydration barrier, reduces redness, irritation, and flakiness, supports a healthy gut-skin axis, speeds up tissue repair and wound healing, balances immune responses that affect inflammation, and helps preserve muscle mass during stress or illness. Glutamine sources. It's found in bone broth, beef, eggs, and tofu, making it available in both animal and plant-based diets. Spinach provides a leafy source, while miso adds glutamine through fermentation. Together, they form a powerhouse for gut and immune support. Here's a bonus tip. Take glutamine on an empty stomach for best absorption, especially post-workout or after fasting. This gives your gut lining a direct repair boost. Signs of low glutamine might include flaky or sensitive skin, gut issues, sugar cravings, low immunity, or post-exercise fatigue. And, chronically stressed individuals or those recovering from illness often run low on glutamine. There's a myth floating around that only water can hydrate your skin. Water helps, but glutamine may help retain hydration. It strengthens the cellular matrix and tightens the leak-proof seal between your skin cells. For practical use, try making a beet smoothie with parsley and lemon, stir sauerkraut into your meals, or enjoy a warm cabbage stir-fry with sesame oil and tamari. Fun fact: glutamine is actually used as fuel by your gut lining, immune system, and your skin. It's the busiest amino acid on the block. And honestly, glutamine can be your skin's emergency plumber, patching up leaks, reinforcing the pipes, and leaving your glow better than it found it. Let's recap those glow-getting amino acids. First up, Proline for firmness and collagen regeneration. Then Glycine for skin repair and collagen formation. Lysine for collagen structure and elasticity. Arginine for blood flow and skin rejuvenation. And finally, glutamine for hydration and skin barrier repair. Learn something new today? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Enjoyed the video? If so, check out my channel for more videos. Whether you're making smoothies, sipping bone broth, or adding legumes to your lunch, these amino acids can make a visible difference in your skin and your overall health. Remember, your health is your wealth. Stay healthy, stay vibrant, stay omni-healthy.